Imagine this. While you climb the career ladder, you also carve out time to acquire fertile land, not in some overdeveloped city center, but in emerging agro zones with long-term potentials. You start a small cassava farm or a palm oil project, perhaps on weekend or through a trusted cooperative. It is not a full-time job, it is a part-time vision, a smart, quiet edge against inflation, food insecurity, and burnout. Now fast forward to retirement. You are not dependent on a pension or past savings alone. Your land appreciates, your farm produces, your agro-allied venture, once a hobby, becomes a stream of cash flow, purpose, and perhaps employment for others. That single farmland you started in your 30s or 40s become the seed for generational sustenance. What if millions of Nigerian professionals embrace this model? We would not only see personal wealth grow more sustainably, we would watch Nigerian food production rise, imports drop, and agro-based industries thrive. A movement like this could change everything from rural employment to national GDP. Because while stock markets fluctuate and salaries rise and fall, land, especially cultivated land, remains steady, loyal, and deeply rewarding.